Hi, everyone. I am Dana Starr.
Hi, everyone. I'm Antoine. Hope you're all having a great afternoon. Thank you for being here. So before we start, I have a question for Dana, if you allow me.
What's up?
Do you think we have the best Trader Voice demo in town?
Absolutely.
Excellent. Let's do it. So at Symphony with Cloud9, our goal is to build a rich ecosystem of interfaces tailored to wherever you work from, whether it's on the trade floor, at home, or on the move. Last year, at Innovate in London, we launched our Cloud9 mobile app. This quarter, we are excited to introduce a touch-optimized, tablet-friendly UI. This gives users a dedicated device for Trader Voice, independent from their main workstation. Now, all mission-critical voice features are just 1 or 2 taps away on a device that has been specifically built for the job.
Cloud9 stands alone as the only Trader Voice platform built natively for the cloud. We bring together a community of financial institutions, allowing users to connect instantly to their trading counterparts. Along with instant connectivity, we offer built-in call capture and recording that's ready the moment a user logs in. This creates a data-rich environment you simply cannot get from other systems.
So for our demo today, we will be using a typical trading floor call scenario. So Indy, on this side of the room, will be playing the client. So Indy will call in, and Dana and I will answer that call as traders working from the same firm, but from 2 different locations. I will be using my mobile, and Dana will be using her tablet. You will see a seamless workflow between a mobile, a tablet, and the Cloud Hub hardware, using common lamping and barging features. These are very fancy words to say traders from the same desk can monitor and join each other's calls. All right, Dana, time for my coffee. Stage is yours.
All right, so I am here in my New York office, sitting on the trade floor, using my tablet that I use here in the office and take home with me at night. Oh, hey, a call's coming in from Indy. Indy is Antoine's top client. Antoine has stepped out for coffee again and is not available. Let me pick up the call. Hey, Indy, it's Dana. Antoine's in a meeting. How could I help you?
Hey, Dana. I'm looking for an update on the Fermi eval I requested last week. Do you know when he will be available to?
Hey, Indy, sorry, I stepped out for an important meeting. Are you calling for the firm eval?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. I'll have that to you this afternoon. Sorry again. Thank you.
Great. Looking forward to getting it. Thanks.
So now, as you could see, my colleague Antoine was at a coffee shop. A notification came on to his phone that Indy was calling. Indy is Antoine's top client, and so he decided to barge into that call, even though I had picked up. Now, all 3 of us were on Cloud9 and sounded great. Cloud9 also connects to private lines and other phone systems. With these calls flows, there are more elements, and occasionally, a user can have an issue. At Symphony, we know that voice trading is critical, and we have developed the tools to help teams identify issues quickly so they could be addressed.
So towards the end of this year, you will have access to a quality monitoring dashboard. While some legacy providers still don't have a decent monitoring tool, our team has been using this monitoring system to proactively monitor our entire platform. It gives us 2 key perspectives. First, quality of service that tracks all the connectivity technical metrics like latency, packet loss, jitter, and so on. Second, quality of experience, which analyzes the waveform, the audio waveform of each call to analyze if there are problems like echo or voice clipping. It's all about giving you complete oversight on the user experience while it's happening.
So now let's pull up the call quality dashboard. We'll see the call that we just completed earlier. There's 3 lines that represent the different participants of the call: Antoine, Indy, and myself. You'll see the firm names along with the unique call ID. To the right, we'll show you the network quality metrics: latency, packet loss, and jitter. We've simplified the results with the color code. Each metric is measured against an ideal baseline, and the color shows how close that metric is to the target, moving from green to amber to red. At a glance here, you could see the connection for all 3 people was solid.
Legacy providers build a disconnected collection of trading systems that don't really talk to each other. We've completely changed that. Cloud9 is a true community of connected traders powered by the cloud. This gives us a massive advantage: real-time visibility. Now, we can see how our platform performs at any moment, spotting tiny glitches when they happen and proactively fixing them even before a user experience is impacted. So right now, let's see how our platform is performing at a global level. As you can see here, 90% of our calls are either good or excellent. It means that all the quality metrics that we are proactively tracking are above the thresholds that we have set in a very proactive manner. Naturally, we focus on the remaining 7%, which require further investigation. A call usually hits that red category when its metrics drop below the thresholds, again, that we have set. So if the issue is internal, like a routing problem, routing delay, for instance, we fix it immediately. If it's external, like a faulty Bluetooth headset, it happens from time to time, then we give you the information to guide your users toward resolution.
So we made a call, and we confirmed that the quality was great. Antoine, how do I know if the call was properly captured and retained for compliance?
So our compliance dashboard confirms if each call is properly captured and retained, flagging any discrepancies for immediate reporting. Legacy models rely on a chain of providers. And we all know a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Every handoff is a potential risk for information discrepancy or data loss. Our approach is totally different. We have built a single unified platform that handles the lifecycle, the entire lifecycle in-house. No handoffs, no interop headaches, just one system, and complete oversight and absolute peace of mind. On top of that, by layering transcription and voice analytics, we transform simple audio into a powerhouse for surveillance and business intelligence. It's a complete suite designed for total assurance and proactive risk management for all your regulated voice communications.
So let's pull up the compliance dashboard, and let's look at the call we did earlier. So this time, you'll see 2 lines of data, one from Antoine and one from myself. While Indy was on the call, his data will stay within his firm's environment for his own compliance officer to see. So moving to the right, what we'll show you is when the recording file started and ended, confirmation that the call record was created and uploaded, and confirmation that the recording was uploaded as well. Everything is marked as complete in the end. If there was anything missing, you would see it in the missing column.
So the firm admin can visualize the entire assurance status for their entire firm for any period of time to proactively address potential issues and when needed, and report them when needed as well. Here, we are showing data for Symphony test accounts, test users, enabled for voice recording. As you can see on the very top row, about 22,000 calls have been made, and almost 7,000 have been completed. That means that for those calls, we reconciled audio files and metadata. While the rest of the calls are reconciling, we can see that after 5 days of data, we know that there are already 360 audio files missing and 6 metadata missing. To ensure you, these are just test results. So if I was a firm admin for this company, I would have this type of data to dive in and investigate the discrepancies. So now, let's get into our actual production platform. Over the past 2 years, we have been able to maintain 99.95% of compliance assurance score for more than 4 billion calls. The marginal number of discrepancies require further investigation for reconciliation when possible, or report on the calls that have not been properly retained. This performance is unmatched. Thanks to our end-to-end unique platform design, we are the only provider capable of delivering this type of metrics at a global scale.
That's the power of Cloud9. Mobility for its users, deep insights for admins, and call assurance for compliance. We are truly redefining trader voice. Thank you so much for watching today.